Pour this magical mixture into a bucket, and your floors will shine flawlessly. With this trick, they'll be so clean you could eat right off them. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to help remove dirt effectively. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda to break down grease and refresh the floor. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap to dissolve stains and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, which acts as a natural disinfectant. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of alcohol to help the floor dry faster and leave it perfectly clean. Boil 1 liter of water and pour it into the bowl, stirring well until all ingredients are fully dissolved. Then, add 1 liter of cold water to bring the solution to the perfect cleaning temperature. Transfer the mixture into a convenient container for easy application. This homemade solution not only cleans effectively, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent throughout your home. After mopping, your floors will have a spectacular shine and look brand new. It's a brilliant alternative to expensive cleaning products, delivering excellent results with minimal effort. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased. Lay it on the carpet and iron it. Mysterious stains of unknown origin will disappear. Cream-colored carpets with light patterns get dirty very easily. Stains appear on them from who knows where. I was already frustrated with these stubborn stains until I discovered this clever little trick that worked like magic. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water. After thoroughly mixing the solution, soak a cloth in it. Then place the wet cloth on the stain on the carpet. Turn on the iron and run it over the cloth for a few seconds. The iron shouldn't be too hot so as not to melt the carpet fibers. The vinegar solution dissolves the stain, and the heat from the iron helps lift the stain from the carpet fibers. This method turned out to be surprisingly effective on stains that I didn't know where they came from, and much easier than other techniques I tried. The stains that plagued my carpet disappeared. The carpet is finally clean. If you're dealing with mysterious stains and nothing seems to work, I highly recommend trying this simple and effective method. It's a great solution using things you probably already have at home. A pot lid will make your carpet look like new in just a few minutes. Take a large bowl and place a laundry capsule inside. Pour hot water over it. Laundry capsules effectively remove various stains and can be used on many materials. Wait a few minutes until the capsule dissolves completely and the water cools down a bit. Grab a pot lid of any size. For this trick, you'll also need a cloth, preferably microfiber. Soak the cloth in the prepared water with the capsule and wring out the excess water. Spread it out and place the pot lid on top of it. The cloth should be larger than the lid. Tie the cloth over the top of the lid with a rubber band or string to keep it from slipping off. Use this makeshift tool to clean carpets by moving it in circular motions across the surface. Stains and dirt will disappear, and your carpet will be clean in no time. You can also use this method to remove dirt from upholstered chairs or sofas. This way, you'll not only have clean furniture, but also a pleasant fragrance filling your home. Pour this on the floor, and it will shine like a mirror. Grab a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, which will enhance the effect of the other ingredients. Measure and pour in about 100 milliliters of laundry detergent. Choose one with your favorite scent for a pleasant aroma while cleaning. Laundry detergent helps remove dirt and stains from surfaces. Next, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, a natural cleaner that also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will provide extra cleaning power and leave your surfaces shiny and fresh. Mix everything thoroughly. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easier application. Remember to shake well before each use. Pour the liquid on the floor, grab a mop, and clean away. Your floor will shine without any harsh chemicals, and there won't be a single streak. You can also use this mixture to clean kitchen countertops. Pour fabric softener on your broom. It turns out, fabric softener has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, one you probably already have at home, pour fabric softener with your favorite scent over it, ensuring all the bristles are coated. This prepared broom will work wonders on your carpet. It's a simple and inexpensive way to quickly refresh your rug. No need to send it for professional cleaning or use harmful chemicals. You can restore its shine and fresh scent at home without spending a fortune. Pour this into a bucket. This trick will give you shiny, spotless floors that are so clean you could eat off them. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. To make the best floor cleaner, start by separating the flowers from dried lavender. Grind the lavender flowers into powder. Put the lavender powder into a glass and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep. After a few minutes, strain the mixture into a jug to remove the lavender pieces. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt to the strained liquid. Mix everything well and pour it into the cleaning bucket. With this trick, your floor will be cleaner than ever. Mop every room, and your floor will shine without using chemicals. You won't see a single streak.